Hello guys. Now, this lesson tries to summarize the earning dates in trading stocks. Now, we have seen last week Apple and Facebook, and this week we have seen Twitter. Now, after the earning dates, there should be some change. There are only that we can expect are three things after the earning dates. Either we have a gap up, like what happened to Apple. I bought it. We have a gap up. I bought Facebook, and it doesn't move up or down. Okay, it happens. Although Facebook earnings were better than the analysts, but still the traders have not been responding to this news. But now this week we have Twitter, okay, and with Twitter we have a gap down. Now these are, I bought it also. Someone says to me, oh, you always say to us that you always make money. Yes, I lose sometimes, but my loss is not what you think, okay? Because I try to do my best to minimize the risk, and all what I do is in my training level 8, which is called How to Minimize Risk and Maximize Profits. These, I show you techniques, what to do in order to have less risk in the market. Okay, less risk, but don't tell me that there is no risk. There is risk. Always there is risk. Whenever you put money in the market, you are at risk, either losing money or making money. And this is the game. If you accept the game, welcome to swing trading stocks. Welcome to the stock market. Now, if you don't accept the game and you are frustrated that you might lose some money, so I'm telling you from now, try to see another way of making money, like you get a job or you do whatever thing that you think you are confident in. Now, for me, all the people who watch me, all the people who are looking to make money, you should learn how to trade. This takes time. It takes experience. It takes practice. You should acquire some skills. Now, for me, when I do, for example, training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener, when I have these stocks and put them in a chart, now when I look at them, I just choose the best out of the best. Now, it doesn't mean that when you choose a stock, whatever stock you choose, that your stock tomorrow will go up. Okay? There is probability that this stock doesn't go up. So you will be ready to exit that trade and make another one. And this is how the people make money. It's not in each trade that you make money. And this is false. If someone tells you that in each trade he make money, he is a liar, a big liar, because you can't control the market. Okay? For example, you buy stock today, tomorrow there is bad news in the whole USA or international news, and on the whole market will go down. So there is no one who tells you that, oh, I will win every trade. This doesn't happen for everyone. Whatever is this person, it will never happen. Understand that, and try not just to listen to some people who are not in the market. Okay, they are not in the market. They just say what they say. Okay. If someone doesn't lose, it means he controls the market. It means he knows the future. He knows everything. He knows what the people will do. And this is crazy, okay? You will never know what the people will do tomorrow in certain stock. They can sell it all and we have a gap up, or they can there is a rush and they buy it because there are some news or wherever, and you can't control. When you put your money in the market, it means when you buy a stock, you buy shares of a stock, okay, you just watch. For us as swing traders, we always watch at the end of the day. It means we see what the day has been in order to take actions, okay? Now, usually for me, I don't take that much action. I buy a stock, I put stop loss, just in case the stock doesn't go good. Now, for the earning dates, your stop loss doesn't work, okay? So don't, either you use it or you don't use it, it's not important, okay? So this is trading by the news, okay? Some people, they do it, some people, they like it because there is a lot of risk, because sometimes some stocks in some sectors, like drugs sector, especially for those who have who are following approval by the government for certain medicine or certain pills or something like that, the stock can go from $3, it can go to 60 or 100 or wherever, okay, because it is a big news for the company when its medicine is accepted or medical process is accepted. But there are some people who are following this. Now, for me as a swing trader, I'm not following this earning dates thing, okay? I'm just trying to teach you, to give you a feeling of how the news can do for a stock. But this doesn't happen always. It happens only in earning dates, which is after 3 months. After 3 months, we have the end of the quarter and we have this stuff, okay? So the major thing I'm telling you is try to paper trade, try to do stocks like this, follow them. Now, if you have taken, if you, for example, you want stocks, you just go to training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. There is stock screener. I give you the 2 criteria. You find stocks and then you put them in the chart and then you practice and you select the best. In training level 4, you have the how to select stocks. It means it shows you what are the stocks that have the probability to go up better than the others, okay? Now this, it is not a science. It's not something that you should say, oh, that stock will go up, the other will not go. No, this is not a science. This is an art of selecting stocks. Some people, they have been into business for many years, many decades, doing just this. They know that those stocks will go up, and they develop a feeling. It means they acquire skills. These skills, it doesn't come from reading books, okay? It's not from reading books or from following a guru or no. You should practice. You should find stocks according to our criteria, select the stocks according to our criteria, and then you develop this skill of selecting the best. Now, what will happen later is just, if you buy a stock, it doesn't go down the first or second day, it means that you are right. When you are right, just sleep. Just leave the stock go up, and then you will find a big trend, and then you can have a big chunk of profits that sometimes you will never believe that it exists. Because some people, they are thinking of $50, $100, $200, but even if you don't have money, sometimes you buy stock with $2,000 or $3,000, you don't have money, but sometimes you can make $1,000, $1,500 from this stock. It's just because you select well, okay? It doesn't mean that it is a penny stock. It could be $10, could be $5, it could be $15. But some stocks, they do good and you can make a lot of money from them. Okay, and this is how do we work, stock after stock, stock after stock, until the end of the year. It means, and then you proceed the second year, the third year, and you develop skills. So you should be patient. You should be patient. You should be disciplined. Okay, if you buy stock, put stop loss, because if you don't, and maybe you are at work and that day was a bad day in the market, or that industry goes down, or that stock, specifically that stock that had bad news, not earning dates but bad news maybe in the company, and some traders or hedge fund, they short the stock. So if you don't exit early, you will have a big loss. Now, in your life of trading, never have a big loss. A big loss, what does it mean? It means the market has taken a lot of money from your trade, and it's hard to make that money again. Okay, it's hard. So that's why try to minimize. If you are interested to minimize this by using stop loss, you can use my training level 6, how to calculate stop loss. And when the stock goes up, you can use how to follow an uptrend. Okay, so to summarize for all this lesson that we get from this Facebook, Apple, and Twitter, and I just give you a summary that anything can happen after the earning dates. A stock can go up like Apple, gap up. A stock can do nothing like Facebook, we have seen it. And Twitter, it went down with a gap down. It happens, and it always happens, and no one will stop this. This is the market. The market changes according to the reaction of traders. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have more questions, please write here down in the comment section. If you just want to send me a private message, here is a private message on the top of the description. You just shoot me an email, and then we can have a discussion in private. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.